Today in this video, you'll see the comparison between iPhone 15 Pro Max and Samsung S24 Ultra. After watching this video, you'll have a clear concept that which phone will be better for you. Let's get started. Before we start, let's check the specifications of these two smartphones. The rivalry between the Apple iPhone and the Samsung Galaxy S line dates back well over a decade. It started in earnest in June 2010, when Samsung launched the Galaxy S and Apple launched the iPhone 4. With a 4-inch Super AMOLED display that looked ahead of its time, reviewers and consumers alike pitted the first Galaxy to rock the S moniker directly against the iPhone, BlackBerry, and Nokia smartphones did exist at the time. But Apple and Samsung were head and shoulders ahead of the competition in design, hardware, and sheer desirability. Fast forward to the mid-2020s, and you'll find Apple and Samsung are still the leading smartphone makers by a significant margin, featuring sprawling iPhone and Galaxy S products that cater to various budgets. For years, at the top of each lineup sat an iPhone with a Pro Max moniker and a Galaxy S with an Ultra alias. These phones pack a big screen, top-tier specs headlined by a powerful chip and a multi-camera setup, and a price tag to match. Apple began this tradition with the iPhone 11 Pro Max in 2019, and Samsung followed suit a few months later by launching the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Today we'll compare the Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max and the S Pen toting Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, the two manufacturers' best smartphones yet. Okay, then which phone is perfect for you? Reasons to consider the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Has 50% more RAM, 12GB versus 8GB. Supports higher wattage charging, 45W versus 23W. Fingerprint scanner. Comes with 559 mAh larger battery capacity, 5000 vs 4441 mAh. 21% better performance in Antutu benchmark, 1907K versus 1573K. Compatible with the latest Wi-Fi 7 wireless networks. 10% higher pixel density, 505 vs 460 ppi. CPU with a higher amount of cores too. Reasons to consider the Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max. Shows 20% longer battery life, 47 vs 3908 hours. Better camera quality according to DxOMark rating. Delivers 23% higher peak brightness, 1780 against 1445 nits. Slow motion recording at 240 FPS. 29% faster in single-core Geekbench 6 test, 2,935 and 2271 points. Now the decision is all up to you. Which phone is better? Write down in the comment below.